Auscultation of heart. For heart auscultation, usually we use 5 points. Start auscultation from apex for auscultation or for assessment of mitral valve. Why we start from the mitral valve? Because the biggest pathology affected mitral valve. In the second place is aorta valve. That is why we start auscultation of heart from mitral valve. If you want to know where we must press stethoscope to the chest wall, it's necessary try palpate apex beat. Because our point for auscultation of mitral valve coincide usually with apex beat. Press stethoscope over this point, usually is the fifth intercostal space, 1–1.5 centimeter medially from the mid-clavicular line from the left side, and assess heart sounds. For auscultation of heart, for differentiation. For differentiation, where is the first sound and where is the second one, it's necessary, together with heart auscultation, palpate pulse. Heart sound, which coincide with pulse beat, is usually the first sound. Loudness of the first sound over apex will be more, because this sound arises here. Motherland for this sound is apex. Next point is second intercostal space near the sternum from the right side. We use this point for auscultation of aorta valve. Loudness of the second sound over heart base will be more. Second sound will be louder because this sound arises directly here, and first sound conducted to this area. Next point. From the left side, second intercostal space for auscultation of valves of pulmonary trunk. Next point. Near the connection of the fifth and sixth cartilages of ribs from the right side to the sternum, we use for auscultation of tricuspid valve. Fifth point. Third and fourth intercostal space from the left side for auscultation of aorta valve again. It's so-called point of Botkin. In the 6th year of the study, student can touch with such situational task. Please do auscultation of heart base and give conclusion. Has this patient accent of the second sound over heart base or no? What necessary do in such case? You must do comparative auscultation of loudness of the second sound over aorta and pulmonary trunk. It's necessary repeat several times. And if loudness of the second sound over one vessel will be more, it means that patient has higher pressure of blood into this vessel. And as a result, loudness of the second sound will be more. If you can see, we use during auscultation, we did not use the same side of sternum twicely. Every time we jump or cross sternum. It's so-called rule of 8. Practical skill is finished.